How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, simply launch the Play Store application. Make sure you have an updated version of WhatsApp application over here. So let's search for it. And as you can see over here, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version. So let's tap and open and it will take us to the WhatsApp application. So here what you simply need to do in order to recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Storage and Data. So after going to this, you can just go back and tap on the Chats option, and here scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. So if you have not saved or have not backed up any history or messages on your WhatsApp, then you'll not be able to recover it. You'll have to uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp application, and then only you'll be able to recover some of the messages. However, it's not sure that you'll be able to recover all of your deleted messages. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.